Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saif Ali Khan. Today in this video, we are going to solve on your DSA program of English for Weeks. Guys, today's question is basically minimum distance between two numbers. Okay, this question has been asked by company like Paytm and Amazon. Okay, so because of this question is very important. Okay, so guys, first we will discuss the program statement. Okay, then we will write the code here. As question is you are given an array A of an element, find the minimum index based distance between two distinct elements of the array X and Y. Return -1 if either X or Y does not exist in the array. Okay, problem is very much clear. Is we have given an array of an integer and there is a element X and Y. Okay, there are two elements X and Y. Okay, we have to find out the minimum distance between X and Y. Okay, let's consider the example first. X is the first element, that is 1, and Y is present, Y equal to 2. 2 is available at 1 index and third index. Okay, so we have to find out the minimum distance on the basis of their index. Okay, so the we have 1 and 2. So index of 2 is 1 and index of 1 is 0. So 2 minus 1, that is 1. Output is 1. Okay. And if there is an X or Y not exist, then in that situation we have to return -1. Okay. And time complexity is of n and stress complexity is of 1. Guys, how exactly we will solve this problem? Okay, let's discuss the approach. First of all, we have to return what? We have to return the minimum distance, okay, on the basis of their index of X and Y. Okay, so first thing first, we have to track the index of X and Y. So for that, we will declare a variable. Let index of X equal to initial value is -1. Consider X is not present in the array. Then what we have to return? -1. Okay. Like that, let's declare another variable, index of Y equals to -1. Okay. And we have to return minimum distance. So declare third variable, that is minimum index or minimum distance. Okay, minimum distance equals to what? Number dot max underscore value. Okay, we assign the maximum value of the number. Let's console it. Console dot log of mean underscore distance. Okay, so you will find out how much big number it is. Okay, and yes, here you will see that 1.79 or 76 like that e plus 308. It's a very big number. Okay, so now we have a minimum distance. We assign the biggest value of the number. Okay, so now what we will do, we will traverse on the array. So we will use for let I equal 0, I is less than n and I plus plus. Okay, by using for loop we are traversing on the array. Okay, so inside for loop what we will do, basically we will check if array of I equal x. If array of I equal x, then we have to update the variable, okay, index of x. if array of I equal x, then index of x equals to I. Okay, index of x equals to I. Else if there is a element array of I equal y y, then we have to update the index of y. Index of y equals to what? Index of y equal to I. Okay, now we have a track of index of x and index of y. Okay. After this, if and else if, what we will do basically, we will just check index of x is not equal to -1, and if index of x not equals to -1, it means that value is updated. Okay, and index of y not equals to -1, it means both variable are updated. Okay, so in that situation we will get the minimum distance. So minimum distance equals to math dot mean. It will take two values. So mean distance and math dot absolute value of index of x and y. Index of x minus index of y. Okay. Now, after this for loop, what we will check, if still index of x and y is -1, then we have to return -1, else return main distance. Okay, so after for loop I will check if index of x equal -1 or index of y equal -1, then return -1 only. If it is not, then return mean distance, that is minimum distance. Okay, I hope it should work. Okay, is there any typing mistake? Not. Let's compile and then we will see. Okay, there is a problem. Let I equal to, okay, I equal to what? I equal to 0 and I is less than an I plus plus. Okay, let's compile and done. One second. Okay, there was a issue with typing here. You can see our output and expected output both are equal. Okay, so let's submit. How much test cases are there? I will see. Guys, if you got any issue while executing the code, then you should debug from your side. Okay, so of course it will you are able to solve. Okay, here you can see 1115 test case was there. All these test cases has been passed. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you. Okay, if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, subscribe this channel, press the bell icon so you will never miss this types of awesome video whenever I upload. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next time with next DSA program. Thank you very much.